Hey everyone, today I have this really simple rainbow gradient mermaid scales design to show you. I started by applying a base coat to my nails and then painting them all with a white polish. My go-to white is Studio M's French Tip because it's opaque in only one coat. I then applied a latex barrier around my nails to prep them for the gradient. Once the polish and latex barrier were dry, I added rainbow polishes to a makeup sponge in a diagonal pattern. I then sponged the polishes onto my nails until the colors were opaque, adding fresh polish to the sponge as needed. I then quickly removed the latex barrier and added a top coat to my nails. I allowed the top coat to dry and then moved on to painting the scales. I mixed gold acrylic paint with a bit of black and used a detail brush to begin painting tiny semicircles starting at my cuticle. I then moved down my nails, adding new rows of scales until the nail was filled. Once the nail was completely covered, I went back over all the scales to make the paint more opaque, and I used the same gold color to fill in some of the scales at random. After the paint had dried, I applied a top coat to all of my nails. I hope you all liked this easy design, and check out the linked playlist to see more rainbow nail tutorials.